Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need a quick loan? Wondering how to borrow money from Cash App in 2025? You are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the process of getting a Cash App loan and explore some alternative options if you need a higher loan amount or better repayment terms. Let's get started. Section 1. Cash App offers a built-in borrowing feature, but not everyone qualifies. Your eligibility depends on the factors like account activity and credit history. If you do qualify, here's how you can borrow. Open Cash App or tap on your balance. Look for the borrow option. If available, select it. Choose a loan amount between USD 20 and USD 200. Review the term and confirm your loan. Once approved, the money is instantly deposited into your Cash App balance. But keep in mind you must repay the loan within 4 weeks. Section 2. If you're the eligible or need a larger loan, don't worry. There are better alternatives with flexible terms and higher borrowing limits. Let's take a look. Low credit finances borrow from USD 100 to USD 5,000 with repayment terms ranging from 2 to 4 months or 24 months instead. The higher loan amounts and the faster approval process. No fees, great for some small and short-term loans. A solid option for those with bad credit. Applying is simple. Most of the services let you fill out an online application in just 2 minutes. No paperwork needed. Funds are usually transferred to a bank within 1 to 2 hours. Before borrowing, always check the loan terms, interest rates, and repayment schedule. Also, be aware of Cash App scams. Scammers often pose as lenders, so never share your personal details with the unverified sources. Now you know how to borrow money from Cash App, an alternative to consider for quick cash. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, see you in the next one.